Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today, Sean here is going to teach us how to program the Nuova Simonelli Musica machine. And go ahead, Sean.
So to first enter into the programming status, you must hold and press down the continuous dosing button for 5 seconds or until you see all the buttons begin to flash. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that they're all flashing. Then you select what button you'd like to program, either single dose, continuous dose, or custom dose, or double. Let's go ahead and program the double today. So we're going to press it. At that point, water will begin to flow, and then we press it again when we're satisfied with how much we have dosed. Because of this, we're going to have a scale. We're just going to go for a 2-to-1 ratio today with 18 grams in and 36 grams out, and then we'll go from here. All right. So as we approach 36, we just press the same programming button when we're satisfied with the amount. And there we go. A little bit higher, but that's no problem. We can just reprogram it. But to lock this in, you then press this upper right button, and that will lock in your amount.
Great, and then we'll just test the steam quick.
Okay.
Looks good in the hot water. Great. So thank you for watching with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.